Welcome to segment 4, AI as a force multiplier. So instead of replacement, is AI actually making cybersecurity professionals more powerful? That's the right way to think about it. A single analyst with AI 2 today can do the work of 5 analysts 10 years ago. But that doesn't remove the need for humans. It raises the bar for what humans are expected to do. So the job evolved. Cybersecurity professionals moved from watching alerts to designing defenses, reacting to anticipating, executing to orchestrating. Welcome to segment 5, where we dive into the real jobs at risk due to advancing technology. Let's be honest with the audience. If AI isn't replacing cybersecurity jobs, what is being replaced? Mindsets. Professionals who refuse to learn, only rely on tools, understand fundamentals, avoid automation. Those roles disappear, not because of AI, but because of stagnation. It's not AI versus cybersecurity professionals. It's AI-enabled professionals, these outdated professionals.
So here's the truth. AI will not eliminate cybersecurity jobs, but it will eliminate complacency.
The future belongs to professionals who understand security principles, use AI intelligently. Think in systems, not tools. Make decisions, not just alerts. If you're in cybersecurity or planning to enter it, this is not the end. It's a level up moment. It's evolving. Exactly. Cybersecurity isn't disappearing. It's evolving fast. If this conversation gave you clarity, not fear, like the video, subscribe to Savvy. And share this with someone worried about AI replacing their job, because the future doesn't belong to those who panic. It belongs to those who adapt.